Hello viewers, how are you? Now we dive into the world of very beautiful XMX-free bottle recycle ideas, and it is very useful for you. Now it's time to grow your business and take some best tips and ideas to get improve your vision and lifestyle. So we gives you advice that this is a time for grow business because it is the third semester and it is time to grow business. It's not just about happiness together, fun together. It's about grow business, make your own asset with these best ideas. So make your this is the cheapest thing. So don't throw away your bottles. Collect all bottles from around the world, like your around uh, family members house, and then wash it, clean it. After that you can paint it, and cheapest thing what you can do with this, so you can make jute wrap idea. Add some red colors, take some red color Caesar, and yeah, things you already had it. So these designs are very colorful and powerful. Let's have a look. So these designs are very popular of the bottle industry, like recycling bottle, and it is healthy for our planet. It's very useful our planet. Our ocean is full of means these bottles. Where is going this? These are going to ocean, and these are very polluted way of life. So take something extra bottles, extra recycle for recycle, and make some ordinary extraordinary piece, make centerpiece, and upload on social media, upload your pictures and stories on social media and sell it wherever you can. So add some Google ads, purchase some Google ads if you want, but not necessary. If your brand is powerful, if your take ideas from this, take ideas from creativity and sustainability with bottle craft recycling. Instead of throwing away plastic and glass bottles, let's transform them into beautiful home decor pieces. And the best part, these crafts are not only fun but can also grow into a successful eco-friendly business. Creativity bottles craft ideas we give you in this video. Cut plastic bottles, decorate them with jute plants, paints and fabric, and plant your favorite flowers. Bottle lamp, you can make it bottle lamp with this. Place fairy lights inside glass bottles for stunning rooms decor. Decorate bottles using colorful toy stones or marbles. They shine meaningfully and beautifully in life and add some quote messages. So now we turn in the shell bottles. Stick seashells onto bottle to make coastal style decor, perfect for beach, houses or gifting. Use old jigsaw puzzle pieces, paint them and arrange on bottles for a funky 3D look. Every year millions of bottles end up in landfills. By recycling them into crafts, we reduce waste, save the environment, and create something valuable. Remember, every small step counts toward a greener planet. Plus, people love buying products that are both beautiful and sustainable. Turning crafts into a business. Now, let's talk about how you can turn this hobby into a business. Home decor lovers, event organizer, home decor lovers, event organizer, and eco-friendly, eco-conscious buyers. What is product range? Offer bottles, vases, lamps, planters, or even DIY kits with paint, shells, and toy stone. Marketing. Share transformation videos from trash to treasure. Use Instagram Reel, TikTok or YouTube Shorts, and wherever you want to sell, like eBay sale. Festive. Now we going to the festive collection. Create themed bottle for Xmas, Eid, Diwali or Valentine's Day. Packaging. Now let's talk about packaging. Use eco-friendly wrapping with a small tag saying made from 100% recycled bottle. As your business grows, expand your ideas. Host crafts, workshop for kids and adults, partner with the school for eco projects, collaborate with the cafes or restaurant to provide bottle decor for their interiors. Sell online on your Instagram shops or Facebook marketplace. The key is creativity, consistency. The more unique your ideas, like using jigsaw pieces, toy stones, and shell, the faster you will stand out in the market. So, friends, the next time you see a bottle, don't throw it away. Recycle it, decorate it, and maybe even sell it with creativity, passion, and like business sense. You can make recycling not only fun but profitable too. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more eco-friendly craft ideas. Because we try to bring for you very beautiful and sustainable ideas. You can make it lamp with these ideas. You can make beautiful lamp like in evening or event. Add some fairy lights. So today I will take you through some of the most unique and eco-friendly bottle craft recycling ideas. We will use not only bottles but simple time items like jigsaw puzzles, pieces, toy stones, and seashells, Scrabble pieces, old pieces, buttons to create something extraordinary. And at the end, I will share how you can turn these ideas into a profitable business. And I give you a very best advices we try to give you. Now let's talk about jigsaw puzzles. Take all jigsaw puzzles pieces, paint them in bright color and glue them around your bottle. It creates a mosaic playful effect, perfect as a kid room decor piece. Decorate bottles with colorful toys, stones or marbles. These bottles sparkle in the light and make amazing centerpiece for dining table or gift items. Collect seashells from the beach or craft store, glue them to the surface or of bottles to create a rustic coastal style designs. Add jute rope around the neck for a finishing touch. Glass bottle filled with fairy lights instantly turn